I'm at 1709 Canary Road. It is just off of 165 with easy access to I-20. This is the street. It's a little overgrown. Front door with bars on it. Looks like main access is probably through the carport. 2 doors here. That one actually goes to what could possibly be used as a bedroom or second living space. Got vinyl floors here. Probably a closet back there. Can't get to. Come into the kitchen. It's got paneling. Got the water heater here. Probably original wood cabinets, mica counters, and acoustic tile. It's like there's probably water damage back there at some point. There's tape put over it. If the fridge is plugged in, it's not cooling. Can't see it. A little water damage there. This is the living room. Got hardwood floors that would definitely need to be refinished. A little patching. Seem to be bars on the windows. It's a closet. That's what they, there was carpet in here. There are tack strips all around. I believe this backs up to one of the closets, and there's nothing but plywood between the two. You can see light from the other side. Here's the hallway. First bathroom. I'm not sure what that is, but I don't think it's hardwood. This one's been made into a shower. Pretty new toilets. So we're back into the hallway, first bedroom. This one has a drywall ceiling, not great job on the finish job. Old carpet. This is the one that I believe backs up to that other room, and it's just paneling or plywood or whatever in between. Back into the hallway with the vinyl. And then you come into this room that kind of looks like one of those bedrooms that you have to walk through to get to the other rooms. Original carpet, paneled walls. Does have a closet. It's got those really old accordion doors. You go through that and get into the room that opens up to the carport. This one has sparkly popcorn ceiling. plywood floor. Probably painted paneling walls. I don't know if you can see that nice sparkle there. It's got sliding glass doors that go to the backyard. So we go back through that room. What? Maybe a little work needs to be done on that ceiling. It's got lovely popcorn ceiling again. In here, we've got acoustic tile, and looks like it's had some patching done. Lovely carpet again. Another bedroom. Acoustic tile ceiling. Lovely carpet. Don't know if you can see, but that ceiling is damaged and bowed by maybe 3 or 4 inches. So something has happened there. Again, bars on the windows. Nice accordion doors on the closet. Don't know if the bulb's just burned out. Looks like whoever painted it got the ceiling part of the time. This is kind of a grayish ceiling in here. I guess here's where they switched from the grayish ceiling to the non-gray. And I don't see a light in this hall. Nope. So anyway, here's the second bathroom. Again, new toilet. It's got painted paneling. It's got that, I don't know, shower board or whatever, that plastic board on the bottom, but no shower in here. It's got a teeny tiny little kid's vanity. This comes up probably just above my knees. So it's probably not a standard height. I don't know what that is. 24 inches, maybe? Maybe. Don't know what that is. Last bedroom. One also has kind of a grayish acoustic tile. Feel breeze. It's got the carpet. It's got the plywood. Plywood flexes. I don't know if that's just because it's on carpet or if the floor underneath it is flexing. I'm not an inspector. I would have that checked. This is again light colored paneling or something like that. I am guessing whatever is here might have sat outside for a while because it sure looks like it's been sitting out in the elements more than the rest of it. Anyway. Yeah, this is, I don't know. So this is the door from the bedroom. That could be a bedroom. It's got this ramp that seems to be in pretty decent shape. Come to the backyard. There's a door. Of course, trip hazard if you ever decided to sell it. If you ever decided to sell it with an FHA loan. This building is in kind of bad shape. My understanding is this is where the washer and dryer is. The bars on the windows back here are of questionable value to keeping somebody out. Need a little work done back there. Stuff's overgrown. So the house on the one side has not been very well maintained. Looks like there's water in there, of course, for the wash and dry. The house on this side looks like it's probably been well maintained. It's a brick house. The bars look like they're in good shape. Windows look like they're in good shape. And the roof looks like it's in good shape. So you can hear that truck. That's from 165, which I said is very close. It's got really quick access to I-20. All right. I think that's it.